The best way is to buy Adobe Photoshop CC 2021. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can buy Adobe Photoshop CC 2021 online. This is the full version, and I'm going to show you how you can sign up for a subscription so that you can always get the latest version of Adobe Photoshop. Let's jump onto the laptop and let me show you how you can buy Photoshop quickly and easily. The first thing we need to do is head down to the description and click on the link. This is going to take you across to Adobe, and then I want you to head to Creativity and Design, and under Featured Products I want you to select Photoshop. Now this is going to take you to the Adobe Photoshop home page, and the great thing about this is you can see all of the Photoshop features that you are going to get access to. It really is amazing how powerful this program is and the amazing things that you can do with Photoshop. We use Adobe Photoshop every single day to create the thumbnails for our YouTube videos so that we can get more clicks and get more views. But let me show you how you can purchase it. What I want you to do is go through the features so that you can see exactly what you are getting access to, and then head down to the bottom and you can see all of the options that you can use to buy Adobe Photoshop. Now there's the photography plan where you get 20 gigs of online storage. There's the Photoshop single app plan. And then there's the All Apps, which is the Creative Cloud Suite. This is the one that we use for our YouTube channel, and we currently have this subscription for our business. And then there's the Students and Teachers, which is a discounted rate. You get a 60% discount. So there are 4 options for you to purchase Photoshop. Once you've decided which option you're going to go with, you can click on that buy now, and then there's individual businesses, students and teachers that get that discount, and schools and universities. And then select the option that you want to go with. There's the photography plan where you get 20 gigs of storage. There's the All Apps plan, as we discussed, the one that we are currently on. And then there's the Photoshop single app plan. Now choose the one that you want. If you want to add Adobe stock, there's a great 1 month free where you get 10 free stock images if you want to try out that subscription. But remember that they are going to charge you a subscription fee after that if you want to continue with it. So if you're ready, you can click on that buy now button and check that you're happy with the amount they're going to charge you. You're going to enter your email and password if you already have an Adobe account. If you don't have an Adobe account, you're going to sign up for a new account. So you're still going to enter your email, and then on the next page they're going to ask you to enter a password, and then in step 2 you're going to enter your payment information. Now you need to enter your credit card details or your PayPal information in order for the subscription to come off. Now if you have any questions or queries about buying Photoshop online, please let me know in the comment section down below and I'll be happy to help you out. We love Adobe Photoshop and we use all of the Adobe apps. We use Photoshop for our thumbnails, we use Lightroom to edit all of our photographs, we use Premiere Pro in order to edit these YouTube videos just for you guys, and we use Adobe Audition for our sound design. So if you have any questions, I'm happy to let you know how we use these apps, how long we've been using these apps for, and why we've chosen them as our preferred product. I hope you enjoy Photoshop as much as I do. If you're new here, consider subscribing to our YouTube channel because we create new videos every single week just like this that can help you start and grow your very own YouTube channel. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.